Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change theme in Opera GX. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Opera GX web application, which of course I have done right here. Now how do you get this application? Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type operagx.com. That's going to take you to the official website. In there, go ahead and follow through the on-screen prompt to download. And after downloading and installing the application successfully, it's going to take you into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in this web application. Welcome to Opera GX. Customize your browsing experience in a few simple steps, and you can change everything later in these settings. Beautiful. Now that we're here, let's hop into today's text. How can you change your theme in Opera GX? Check the left corner of your screen. You're going to see a few icons. All right, so once you tap the icon, you're going to see the label. So just like GX Control, and you have GX Cleaner, you have Twitch, you have mods, you have all of this, and scroll the way down, you're going to find settings. So go ahead and click on settings. Once you click on settings, it's going to take you to the settings page. So over here, all you need to do is to scroll the way down, not so down. All right, so but you scroll down until you find theme, and the theme is not difficult to find. So this is a theme category. Now you have a wide variety of options, and even the sweetest part of this whole thing is that you can even configure by use the configuration settings to customize your theme. So here I have this. So this is another one. Let's choose this to see what's gonna look like. So as you can see, I think I like this ultraviolet. Seems really cool. The next is Sub-Zero. It seems basic. You have Fruity de Marais. So click on that. Very different. I think I just really like the feel this ultraviolet thingy. Oh, this is like, it looks all royal. It's given royal. And then you have these options right here at the bottom. You have light. You can go to light. Oh no. Auto. So this, like, it just changes with time. If you want to go dark, it goes dark. Nothing in the night, and then the day goes bright. We don't want that. We just want that. We want something fixed. So dark is just really like dark and cool, perfect. This is like dark and ultraviolet. It's just really nice combo. Sweet. So you can head over to configuration, like I said, to customize your theme. So you can even customize by tweaking any of the colors. So you can change any of these colors, and you can even use advanced configuration to change primary color, primary light color. It's like stress for me, so I won't want to do that, but you can just use all of these, have fun to customize, and just have fun exploring of those features. So I'm gonna go all the way back to here at this theme. So we definitely chose ultraviolet, and it's just pretty cool for me. Just gonna stick with that. So let's talk with that. All right, that's all that I'm just playing here, but this is really how to do that. So you can go over to your homepage and now explore all of the features that you want to explore and just have a really great time. So that's pretty much the process. This is how you can change your theme in Opera GX. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.